Meaning of exporter.
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 Exporter. The term exporter refers to a person or company that sells goods or services to foreign countries. The exporter is responsible for complying with the laws and regulations of both their own country and the destination country, as well as handling logistics such as shipping and customs clearance. Exporting can expand a business's customer base and increase profits, but it also involves risks such as currency fluctuations and political instability. Successful exporters must carefully research and analyze their target market, establish strong relationships with partners abroad, and maintain high standards of quality and customer service.